Good shot. Over there. Over the line. Over the line. Goal. Hi neighbors. What you doing? And I know, don't laugh at me. I know I look weird. I did a thing where I chopped off my hair, guys. It's all gone. And my top of my head look very squished. I don't know. Let me know if you like it or not. Drop it in the comments whether you think it's a hit or a miss. But either way, we've been away for a while. Probably just a couple weeks break. And we're going to share what we've been up to. So I'm actually at our house now in Clarendon. It's Saturday, the day before the World Cup final with Argentina and France. Yes, my Argentina and France. Argentina that lost the first match for World Cup, but everybody was like, oh, them not going to do anything. Yes, it's the Saturday before, even though you're watching this video on the Sunday. And by the end of this video, I'm going to put an update on the Sunday before I release it with Argentina winning. And if it don't go so good, then regardless, we did so brilliantly. But all the best, guys, from the Saturday. All the best to Argentina, Messi and his crew. We can take it home. Anyway, going to let you know what we've been up to. And let's start with garbage. Let's start with garbage. Look at this, guys. We've been complaining and the government delivered. New garbage trucks. New trucks.
Give them Christmas money now.
Yeah, I know the envelope would have come around regardless, you know.
Just in time.
Even though they would have collected much less this year, the envelope would still come around to say, you know. Well, for those who don't know, in Jamaica, I don't know if it's a thing anywhere else, the garbage collectors typically, because they're grossly, no, they're grossly underpaid, which is no joke, and it's not funny. They deserve much more. So they just normally send us an envelope at the end of the year, Christmas time, for a little top up.
A little honorary,
and them deserve it.
Yeah, just to say thanks for, you know, for the work.
The effort, yeah. Because it's not as structured as overseas, where people really understand how important it is to collect garbage and the value that they offer. Yeah, so saw it on the news last night where they said that we're going to get new trucks effective 5 AM. They're going to be rolled out, and true to form 7:16 AM.
But it's like you had an intuition. Yeah. He was standing at the gate, literally standing at the gate. We're about to leave to drop off the kids for school, and he was like, I wonder if I should have taken out the garbage for the garbage men to pick up, because we have had like weeks worth of garbage, a month worth of garbage stored at the back of our yard. We didn't put it outside because we didn't want the dogs to rip up the bags and make a whole mess scattering it out. And as him could have said so,
you hear beep beep.
You hear beep beep beep, and the truck bust the corner.
Yeah. So we caught it in time.
What a lucky thing.
We had 4 other garbage bags.
What good fortune. We know the luck around here.
That were not yet in the bin. Could have hole in the bin, so I had it around the back. And so we got it out. Just in time.
Just in time, Sasa.
Anyway, we're driving, so look at it.
Look at that, guys. It's almost as if the clouds are just spewing out this rainbow, and right over this church as well. Look at that. Oh wow, that is beautiful.
That's how it started there.
Yeah, except that now the direction has changed. Right? It's not over the church anymore.
So it could be another church.
Could be, but it's just pretty. It's just super pretty. There we go. So pretty. We are kind of chasing the rainbow.
Alright, so we reach back home now, and the neighbor's garbage is picked up, but our garbage is still here. I have to hail the garbage man and we'll say beep beep and big up and all that. Garbage is still here. I'm assuming the garbage truck was full. But he took up the 4 bags that I left outside around the back and I run around with it and bring it out here. Those are gone, but the drum's full. On top of the drum, some other garbage that was not like food or any kind of that kind of related. It's still there. I am hoping that they'll come back today, not next week or the other week, because then this will solve any of our problems. Oh, just to update you, they actually came back. So big up NSWMA, the garbage collection company. They actually came back, but I guess they had to run somewhere and then you come back to finish Byron Street. But either way, we're good. Next up though, how did Argentina reach the World Cup finals? By much prayer on Paul's part. By much prayer. What I mean by that, the match against Croatia was very tense. And you'll see, the first chance we got to score the penalty, I was literally on my knees, as well as the children. Take a look. So Argentina was awarded a penalty in the first half, but Messi missed the penalty that he got in the last game. So I was super nervous, on my knees, and of course, in solidarity, Eden went on her knees as well. And then of course, Leila joined in on her knees. So we're all on one accord. And then this happened. Gracias a Dios, gracias a Dios, gracias a Dios, gracias a Dios, gracias a Dios. Thank you God, thank you God, thank you God. I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Oh, don't cry, baby, don't cry!
Oh, don't cry, don't cry.
Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. See one ball, yeah?
Brazil is gone home. As I tell you, I don't bad mind people side. Willing negativity on another side, I don't do it. I'm happy that they're gone, but I don't bad mind them, but I'm just happy that we're focused, we're going through. Some people said that the plane to South America was waiting on Argentina, so Brazil didn't leave yet. So there was room on the plane, so they're waiting for us to make one trip to South America from Qatar. But they'll have to, we're just calling them now to just leave.
Plane can go, the pilot can rev up
the plane can go.
The plane and go.
We are leaving on not Sunday coming, the other Sunday, after the finals, when they're bringing home the trophy.
Alright.
One more step closer, Argentina.
Albi Celeste.
Jumping, so excited all over the place. And then this mood went on until we carried it over to Leila and Zahra's Christmas party. Not Christmas party, Christmas concert later in that night. Yeah, the vibes was just high. We were having a good time. They did the thing. We didn't really stay there. Well, we were there for a while. They only had probably like a 5-minute performance. Yeah, but they did the thing and them sing them song and we come back and we're like, great job guys. And not to leave out Eden and Ava's update, they were supposed to get shots by the doctor. It took them to get the shots by the doctor. But here's the update on that. So the update from the doctor is that we get a whole heap of medication and Leila and Zahra will not get shots today because they were supposed to get the shots, but they're too sick. Leila?
Huh?
Leila?
Yes, Daddy?
Say hi, neighbors.
Hi.
Zaza?
Hi, neighbors.
Right, so they're not so well, so we get the shots next year for when they are hopefully much better.
Can I buy bacon? For me?
Well, you never flew that at a food place, you know?
You give bacon.
Where's getting lunch for them?
They don't sell bacon at this place, Leila. Hi, neighbors. From we went to KFC, where was it? Burger King one day, and I was ordering a burger with bacon on it. Miss Lady, all she's talking about is bacon.
Yeah.
They don't sell bacon at this place. We're at
Not at this
Popeyes.
place. So no, I actually want to see their reaction to the shots because it's the first time they would have been getting the shots and they can talk and you can relate to them and say how was it, and then yeah, they went all the times they were 1 and 2, them just cry.
What did Leila say? Was the doctor going to give them the...
Was she going to sting?
They're going to give them a sting.
Yeah, she said the doctor did the stingers because that is their understanding of injection. So I really wanted to hear, them see them observing the needle going in their hand and all that, would happen, and talk to them about it.
Yes. But I think they were psychologically prepared.
Yeah. So we'll see though. The day will come.
Yeah, early in January once they get over this cough. So it's she said that the cough is most likely allergy related, but it's been going on for so long that she is medicating them antibiotics, inhaler, nasal spray, just to make sure that anything that is potentially there that could become a problem is eliminated. So we're giving them a 1-week course of that.
Yeah. So that's that for that. Eat some food now and refresh ourselves here. Later. And that's how we end up right here. Not just right here, but right here. Where I decided I could not manage my hair anymore and I cut it almost all off. I barely recognize myself. So you must know from the next clip that the children as well were having a hard time, especially Eden and Ava. They're like, who is this guy walking in the house? But take a look at the reactions. I don't recognize myself.
Come. Oh, my darling. Look at my baby. Yeah.
I look stupid.
Why are you saying that? No, you don't look stupid. But he left on more than he would normally take off.
I told him to go above wave height. I wasn't prepared to go so low.
We could have faded the size a little bit.
No, I told him not to. But I guess I could have told him otherwise.
Wow. Look at you. You look beautiful. Turn around. Nice. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that?
No, I think I don't know. I guess I'll get used to it.
What's there to get used to? This looks fantastic. You look great going into the Christmas.
I don't recognize the man in the mirror, guys.
I do. This is the guy I married.
I don't.
I married this guy.
My head feels short.
Well, surely about at least 3 inches would have come off it.
I mean, he was actually surprised. He was like, wow, there's nothing here to go.
So, were you having regrets?
No, because hair can grow back. And hopefully by the time it grows back, I can figure out what I want to do with it. So
this is what is going to happen to it. It's perfect. It's lovely. I mean, I love... So, he even... Well, you know what? You did everything to go with it, including the beard and the mustache.
And shape it up and fade
this, the beard is fuller.
It appears fuller.
It appears fuller. Oh, dropping my hand. And mustache, well, mustache was always like this. It doesn't look any different, but your beard looks full and nice.
So the wife was all loving it. I was still warming up to it. But let's see what the children said when I came back from the gym the next morning. Morning, Jojo.
Morning.
Why are you looking at that?
Because why your hair look like
Why my hair look like this?
Yes.
How does it look?
Like.
Yeah?
Like. Your hair looks like stylish.
Looks stylish. Morning, Leila.
Morning.
What is it? What you want to say?
Daddy, your hair is gone.
Yes, my hair is gone. You like it?
Uh-huh.
You sure? You like it, Zahra? Or you prefer when I had hair on my head? Which one you like better, this one or the last hairstyle?
The last hairstyle.
You prefer the last hairstyle? You don't like this one? You like this one, Leila?
Yes.
Okay. So Hannah was laughing at me this morning and she said I look like a character from Boss Baby. This is who she said I look like.
No. That's shut up, wicked. Oh my goodness. You don't look so flubby and chunky.
Neighbors, I'm out here with my jersey and of course match day. And the hate in the streets is real, you know. Listen, you see these Brazil people. I'm walking before Brazil got knocked out of the competition. I could have walked on the road with my Argentina jersey and people, unless you're Argentina fan, you're not gonna really notice me. No, people just attacking me. You say I go drop out, you know. Your teacher go get kicked out, you know. Yo, mother, your teacher go get kicked out today, you know. Man, say, yo, brother, you sound like I know which side is your side. It's just from the way you're talking. Just attacking Argentina for no good reason. Bad mind is not a healthy thing, people. I'm telling you. If your side drop out, just wait till the next 4 years. Don't try to draw down a next man thing. It is wicked in the streets, believe me. Yes! Yes! Messi! Argentina! The goal give. Thank you, Lord. Please, God. Yes, please, God, make it go in. What a play, my side. Lautaro, Messi. Enzo, onside. Back to Messi. Good shot. Over the line. Over the line. Goal. Good goal, Messi. Messi. Alright, just to wrap up what you saw a while ago. Summary of the game. Yes, baby, daddy talking to the neighbors. Went up 2-0 in the first half. I think we have the game won. It became 2-2 when the game nearly done. Hear my voice. Then, extra time, we went 3-2 up. Messi scored. Perfect script. Let's go home. Of course, Mbappe scored back. France 3-all. Got to penalties and we held on. Argentina held on to win the penalties 4-2. There's nothing more to say. Neighbors. Have a great week. But here's a thought for the week. Here's a thought for the week. Sometimes we may start out on the wrong foot. Like how Argentina started out and lost to Saudi Arabia in the first game. People rise you off and say you can't recover. But we got on your side, we got in your corner. You can triumph this week, you can triumph next year, you can triumph over whatever is facing you now with God. Even though you look like you lose the battle already. Get up, man, get up with God. That's the encouragement from Argentina. Have a great week, neighbors. See you soon. La Albi Celeste, Argentina. Adios.